There's a lot of hype about exiting the Gibraltar Straits, and I've heard a lot of scary stories. You got to time it right with the tides, the current, time of year. We meet Sam from Amiri Sails, who gives us a different point of view and shares his tips with us. Armed with the local knowledge, we exit the Straits and head up the coast to Portugal.
Okay, so I was thinking maybe Tuesday we could leave out through the strait.
Yeah, I think so.
But here for the strait, go early, mainsails on the back. Just with that, here you will going out with no wind. Keep the mainsails on the back, because depend here you will see if you pass early, east wind normally for the morning it's not so strong, but around 2 o'clock it can coming stronger.
Okay, so you're gonna sail with a jib only.
Just a jib, include maybe nothing.
But now there,
because this is more 30-40 knots.
23.
No, here you will have more.
So I don't want to go in 40 knots.
Just with the Genoa. Here, if you have a bit scared, just pass near. Here, it's just some big beach. It's only big. It's only beach.
Yeah.
Just pass near, so like that you have no waves. But anyway, here the wind will turn. If you want to sail, yes, it's better to wait that condition. A little bit more friendly. But this will change.
It will change.
Yeah.
It's still a way away.
Because east wind normally is not coming in for one. If it comes normally for 3, 4, 5 or more days.
The other thing is swell from the cyclone.
This is you will have this weekend.
So there's a bit of swell from the
Yes,
cyclone.
yeah, this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that's it. Yeah.
So I don't have to worry about swell.
No.
Okay, so neap tide, spring tide doesn't matter. Just stay close to the coast. Go in between the rocks.
In between the rocks.
Not so
No. After all my sail stitching, we decide we definitely need to order a new one. Here we measure it up and do some last repairs. With a fair 18 knots of wind, we exit the straits. We take Sam's advice and stay close to shore. We get up to 35 knots of wind around Tarifa and do experience some of the choppy waves. All in all, we have a pleasant exit and find ourselves in a gorgeous and peaceful river estuary in Alvor. Situated roughly halfway between Portimao and Lagos is the pretty harbour village of Alvor. Given its position on the Algarve, the village is unspoiled, with the old village retaining much of its charm. Unlike many of the resorts along the coast, it was a great earthquake of 1755 which did the greatest damage to the village. Of course, there's been building, but this has been low rise and has largely left the core of the village and harbour unscathed. Meet John and Jilly on SY River Dancer, an awesome couple who treated the kids to a treasure hunt aboard and the adults to some fun and laughter.
We will do this in order. Now I met you first. You can go second, alright?
I'm going second.
I'm not going to ask you, Dad. Look, I'm in charge here. This is my pirate ship.
My way.
Yes, it's your one now. Alright, I'll have that one now.
Come for dinner.
Just say, arr, arr. Just say pirates, arr.
That's it.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course you can. Have a go.
John, should we have it in a minute? So, once. Right,
Yeah,
everyone can sing something, can't they? So, I'll give you...
Not
We're willing to join in.
Please don't take my man. Jolene, Jolene.